Hello friends, today we will be reviewing Ninja Professional Blender PL660. It will also tell you how to use this blender and how to buy it from Amazon at a low price. I will show you by blending ice and fruit in it. So let's start the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is a Ninja blender. There are 3 different speed buttons. It has 1100 watts of power. It weighs about 10 pounds. It is about 7 inches long. The most powerful blender because it has 6 track blades. So be carefully. By the way, it is safe from human point of view, but it is necessary to be carefully in all blenders. So now we will show you how to blend ice in this blender and single blend for 30 seconds. So check out this comparison of Ninja blend and single blend. This is single blend blender, ice with ice cube. Why Ninja blender ice will become powder? Now I will show you by blending the fruit in it for 30 seconds. So see, it is also blender like snow. Now let's talk about how to buy in it a low price. By the way, this blender is $120 on Amazon, but I will give you a link to an Amazon store in the description of the video where you can buy this blender for $99. Please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel.